Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one I'm going to spotlight the National Stats UPRN lookup. We get that data from this website here, the geoportal.statistics.gov.uk website. This dataset is basically one record for every single property in Great Britain. Every property has a nationally recognised unique property reference number, UPRN. And this table of data has, for every UPRN, a whole load of information about it. The location of it, easting and northing, that's exactly where the UPRN is, the postcode it belongs to, and various other things like the county, the ward, region, LSOA, MSOA. Also, interestingly, it has index of multiple deprivation. If I just bring one up now, so I'll just copy a bit of code in, which I've written just before the video. So here, I'm going to look up one of the UPRNs in EH11BX. And just to explain a bit further, there is another video that explains about this postcode car 8 ASCII index. So I won't go into too much detail, but basically the tables are far faster querying on this code, which is based on the postcode. Anyway, so I've picked one UPRN, this one here, pretty much at random, and you've got it in there 3 times. And as explained in the tutorial with the system fields and SCD tables, that's because it changed 3 times. So the definition of that code was this up until the 31st of May 2021. And then until the 28th of Feb it was this. And then since the 1st of March until now it was this. And if you're always interested in the current value, you just do where is data equals 1. So if a change happens again in the future, that will become a 0. A 4th row will appear and you'll get a 1 there. And an effective 2 on this 3rd row. But see here, you've got the index of multiple deprivation ranking. That's per output area. Now, according to the instructions that describe the data, and as explained in other videos, you just go into the all release detail, the release details to all available tables to get the link from where we get the data from. That'll take you here, and you can go here and see that the documents that relate to that data set. I've already downloaded one, and I think of particular importance because the rest of the fields are pretty self-explanatory. With this index of multiple deprivation ranking, you need to bear in mind that for England, the ranking is between 1 and 32,844. Then Wales has a separate ranking, 1 to 1,909. Scotland has another separate one, 1 to 6,976. And Northern Ireland isn't represented. So with that, you've got 3 separate rankings. That's just to bear in mind so you don't actually mix and match these numbers in this one column. Anyway, that's there for you to use, a particularly useful data set when doing analysis. Thanks.